Hello ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders. Today is Sunday, 13th of December 2020 and the time is 1:35 p.m. Welcome to our BBMA weekly analysis for the trading week of 14th to 18th of December 2020. Let's get started. As usual, we will review our BBMA setup SOP. We trade with 4 time frame, weekly, daily, H4 and H1. Our entry and exit will be on H4. And we trade 2% risk per trade, and we let 5 pairs running at the same time. We use TradingView for automation. We use it to our custom indicator to detect our BBMA setup. Let's review last week's trade. For the week starting with 5th of December 2020, our account growth was minus 2.35%. No doubt it was a very challenging trading week last week. We entered 1, 2, 3, 4 position. Okay, this one is actually closed. Stop out as well. So we only have one trade take profit with very minimal profit compared to the full loss that these 3 trades are taking. Other setup, we did not have any confirmation from our indicator. So that amount to minus 3.5% for our account. Okay. Alright, let's look at this week trade setup. For that, we're going to start with TradingView. As usual, we first look at DXY for our USD currency index interval. Okay. For let me change the DXY. This one. Okay. So for DXY, as you can see in the weekly time frame, price is currently open and closed outside the Bollinger Band. This is actually a re-entry buy setup for us. However, as we can see, for the past 3 weeks, we tried to have a buy setup, but DXY keep going down, and it did not give any good signal to us. However, we stick to the SOP. So this is our re-entry buy setup. On daily, we can see price is starting to close inside the Bollinger Band. This is MHV buy. And the good thing is we can see that price is making a higher low. As you can see here, this is the lowest. It's getting higher. So as long this candle doesn't break below the lowest low here, upward movement is still intact. Okay. On H4, we can see price previously make a CSM buy, however it make a CSM sell here. So now price actually managed to close above the middle Bollinger Band, which a very big bullish candle here. So this is a good indication for continuation to move up. So this is CSAK buy. So for DXY, we just gonna set alert to wait for CSM buy. Okay, CSM buy at H4, and make sure it's above the EMA 50 as well. Okay, sorry. Alright, next pay, Euro USD. We start with weekly time frame. For Euro USD, we can see price doing exact opposite of the DXY. It's closing open and closing outside the Bollinger Band on the top. So based on our SOP, this is re-entry sell. On daily, it's making a MHV sell. So extreme, TPW, MHV. So this is MHV sell. And on H4, we can see that price actually make a CSM sell last week. However, this sell is not valid because as you can see, the EMA 50 is below the current price. So that's why price rebounds back and make a CSM buy here. However, this week you're gonna try to do the sell setup. So currently on H4, this is CSAK sell, and what we want to see is this candle close below the low BB and also below the EMA 50 to make the CSM sell, and we're gonna take the pullback to continue going down like this. Okay, so for Euro USD, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for CSM sell. And sorry, EMA Okay, so create. Right, next pair is AUD AUD we start from weekly as well. As you can see, AUD has been bullish for like almost 6 weeks, starting from this big bullish engulfing candle. It continued to go up. However, based on our SOP, we want to look for sell. So on daily time frame, this candle is a CSM buy, and on H4 we start to see TPW candle. Okay, so it go down here, and when it touch up here is a MHV sell. So this currently TPW, and basically we don't have to worry about H1, but what we want to do is we want to wait this to make a CSM sell. So for AUD we also need to set alert CSM sell at H4 and ensure that it close above or below EMA 50. Okay, create. Right, that's our alert for AUD. Next pair is USD JPY. Okay, for USD JPY, as you can see here on weekly, price is currently closing inside the Bollinger Band. This is a MHV buy setup, so of course this naturally a re-entry buy setup for us in weekly. And on daily, we can see that price is currently continue to make this this is extreme buy, then CSAK buy. This is continuous of the re-entry buy, so daily re-entry buy. And on H4 we can see it make the CSM buy here. However, it come down and retest. The good thing is this retest candle, as you can see here, it did not close below the low BB, so this is a valid buy setup for us. So for USD JPY, we can have our buy like this, and we place our stop under this candle big. So this is our buy zone for USD JPY. Okay, next pair is JBP USD. For JBP USD, on weekly time frame, we can see price action making a bearish engulfing. So if you learn candlestick pattern, this is a strong sell setup. So naturally, this will be our we favor sell. Okay, so this will be our re-entry sell. And then on daily, we can see price making a CSAK sell, confirming the higher time frame. And next, we look at the H4. H4 already make a CSM sell, and it already make a pullback here. So in this case, we can instant buy from the mid BB all the way to the top here, and place our stop here. There's a high chance that we could miss this entry. So if you want to take extra risk, you can take it from here, from the MA 510 high. But beware that this is a risky entry, just in case it goes up and retest the high here, you can have a lot of loss if you take the entry from here. So GBP USD instant buy, instant sell. Next pair will be USD CAD. So USD CAD on weekly time frame is candle close outside the Bollinger Band, open and close outside the Bollinger Band. So this is a re-entry buy setup for us. And then on daily time frame, we can see price start to close inside the Bollinger Band. This of course a MHV buy. Next on H4, price goes up, but it did not manage to close above the mid BB, so we can take this as a CSAA buy. So we anticipate it will continue to go up like this, right? And we take the pullback again as usual. before it go up to our TP target on the MA 510 high on the weekly time frame. So USD CAD, we set alert CSM buy. Okay. Oh yeah, make sure it's above EMA 50, but it look like it's gonna be above EMA 50 if it manage to make CSM buy. Okay, next pair is USD CAD, USD CHF Swiss franc. For USD CHF, as you can see here, on week start with weekly, price also open and close outside the Bollinger Band, right? So this is our this is our entry buy setup. So we move to daily, we can see price start to close inside the Bollinger Band. This is MHB buy, and on H4 you can see it's crossed the mid BB. So this is CSAK buy. Okay, CSAK buy. And on H1 we can see it start to make a re-entry buy. So what we want to do is we need to wait for this one to confirm the buy setup for us, close above the top BB, and also make sure it pass the MA50, because this is very important. If it doesn't close past, this can be a big re-entry sell on the daily time frame and it just gonna tank on you. So make sure it's close above the top BB and also go past the MA50. Alright, so we take our custom indicator CSM buy at H4, and also it's above EMA50. Sorry, EMA50. Yeah, like that. Okay, last pair is of course NZD USD. NZD USD. So NZD USD itself currently is open and close outside the Bollinger Band. Re-entry sell for us. Although both for the past few weeks we try to sell, but it keep failure. Keep on bullish. So hopefully this week the buys sell setup will be confirmed. Next, on daily, we can see price is closing inside the Bollinger Band. MHV sell. H4 still MHV sell. We need to wait for this one. It's very simple setup. Wait for this one to close below the low BB. Then we take the retrace and then continue down bearish, just like that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that will be our setup. And USD, we wait for CSM sell at H4 and close below EMA 50 before we can take the sell. Alright, so that's it for this week. We have a very simple trade plan, and we have instant sell on GU, and also let me see. So we only have instant sell on GU for this week. Others we have to wait for the confirmation. Okay. Okay, so I wish you all the best for the trading week. If your trade hits stop loss, or if you have a losing week, stay calm, analyze your SOP again, and always manage your risk when you trade. Do not over leverage your account, and I wish you safe trading and all the best for next week. Bye bye.